video. I want to take him. I need to take him to the park. Oh boy, we getting low. We getting low, dude. We got to say something to the end. What? You not finna eat them all until we got to say something to the end, cause you be cutting up. You don't be wanting to say goodbye. Who you fussing at? Me? Yeah. I don't understand. Well, I love you. I still love you. I love you. Yeah. You just like to eat. You be using me for my food. You be using me for my food. Yeah. I agree. I agree. If somebody fed you better than me, you'll go with them too. You'll go with them. Yeah. No. You would leave me, wouldn't you? Yeah. You would leave me. Y'all, now this is a good conversation. Y'all, this is a good day for him. This is a good day. He actually gave it up today for y'all. Guess what? We got dessert. No, thank you for the sugar.